Hey Lisa, where are you going?
Dad, I'm going out to play.
Oh, really? Where will you play? It rained very heavily today.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm going to Mina's house to play.
Oh, okay. What will you play there?
Dad, we'll play video games. She has a PS5.
What? Mina has a PS5?
Yes, Dad. She has one. And you still haven't bought anything like that for me.
Hey, my child, don't be sad. We will buy it for you on your birthday.
You say the same thing every time.
No, this time I really promise. A true promise.
Oh, really, Dad? You're so sweet. I love you, my sweet dad. So for now, I'll go to Mina's house and play until I get my own PS5. Okay.
Lisa, I'm stopping you because your mom has gone to the market and she'll come back late.
Oh, so Dad, are you scared to stay alone at home?
Me? Scared? What are you saying?
Then why are you stopping me from going?
I'm not scared at all because I don't want you to get sick by going out.
Oh, come on, Dad. Don't lie to me. I'm not going to play in the mud. I'm just going to the second floor, to Mina's house.
Lisa, wait a minute. Maybe your mom is back. Lisa, can you go to your room for a moment?
What happened now, Dad?
Just go for a second, please.
Okay, fine.
Lisa, come here.
What? Mom, did you bring a gift for me?
Yes, this gift is for you.
A PS5. Oh my God.
See? Your dad kept his promise.
Thank you, Dad. I love you so much. And I love you too, Mommy.
Yes, open it now. My sweet girl. Now tell me, are you hungry?